How to fix New Jersey Transit app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if the NJ Transit application is not working in your device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If your application is not working, the first thing that you have to check if the application is updated to its latest version or not. So to check that, open up Play Store in your device. And in the search bar, search for NJ Transit app. Once you have opened it up, if you have update option where I have opened, that means your application needs update. Tap on update. Once the update is complete, go back and check whether the application is working properly or not. If still not, now you have to open up settings in your device. Tap on apps. Then tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon and search for NJ Transit. Once you get to app info page, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove all the glitches and bugs from the application, which might help you fix the problem. Once you have cleared the cache, go back and check if the application is working properly or not. If still not, the last option is to delete or uninstall the application from this device. For that, access your application or navigate to the application. Tap and hold on it and then tap on app info. Once you're here, tap on uninstall, then tap on OK. Once the application is uninstalled, now you can again go back to Play Store and reinstall it back. After that, you can open up the application and your application will work fine. So that's how you can fix if the NJ Transit application is not working properly in your device. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.